What is the average number of kittens a cat can have in one litter? The answer is 2 to 5. What is a common behavior that shows a cat is feeling relaxed? The answer is purring. Which of these breeds is known for its delightful playfulness? The answer is Bengal. What do cats usually use their whiskers for? The answer is measuring spaces. Which sound do cats often make when they are annoyed? The answer is growl. What is the primary reason cats are considered independent animals? The answer is they can hunt for food.